In the first video, you have seen the step-by-step in-application guidance from end-user point of view. But how do you actually create this intelligent overlay? We provide a solution called Newired Editor, so you can design and edit the content graphically without any coding skills. Let me show you that. So this is Newired Editor. It's a desktop application that contains a web browser, so you can open any web application, but in this case we open again our CRM demo tool. And let's create the guide that help users to create a new account. Usually you start with introduction. You will learn how to create a new account. The second step was we want the user to click here on the create button. Okay. Another one should be I should click on create account. We want a user to enter the name of account. And at the end, they should click on save. That's it. Let's test it. Our dialog. Click here. Click create account. Test. And finish with save. You see, with just a few clicks, we were able to create a step-by-step guide by using our graphical new editor without any coding experience.